The thing is that they wanted to hold a referendum, but they didn't have the permission. So I normally use this metaphor of sex. I mean, sex is not forbidden, like voting is not forbidden, but you cannot do it forcefully. You have to have the permission to do it, otherwise it's rape. I mean, it's the same with democracy. It's not only a question of saying, okay, we always can vote. Democracy, it's all about voting. It doesn't work like this. Democracy is a complex regime. You have to apply the law, you have to obey the law, and the people who are in charge of the regional government in Catalonia at that moment are especially responsible to comply with the law, and they didn't do it. You say 25 years is excessive. Well, it's a matter of opinion, but it doesn't matter my opinion or your opinion. The thing is that it's the court who has to make this decision and to decide if the offence was serious enough to send them 25 years to prison.
I'm sorry, you're comparing holding a referendum against the wishes of central government to rape? And are you honestly saying that that should earn a sentence of 25 years?
No.
Well, that's what you said. That you compared it to rape, I think, unless I was mistaken.
No, perhaps I didn't explain myself properly. What I say is that any act you can do is different if you do it because you have permission and if you don't have permission. And I say sex is okay, but if you don't have permission, then it becomes rape. This is what I said. So voting is okay, but if you don't have permission, it becomes a criminal offence in Spain. This is what I'm saying.
Regardless of your comparison of rape to the charges these politicians are facing, do you personally think if they're found guilty, they should go to jail for 25 years?
Well, I'm not going to say my opinion on that because it doesn't really matter at all. And I am an official of the government and it could be misunderstood. I mean, it doesn't really matter, my opinion. I think that it is okay and it's how a country